Hey everyone, it's crafting with Carla again. Um, I wanted to use this opportunity to talk about internet bullying. Some people call it cyberbullying. It's really bad, and a lot of us. This is dusty. A lot of us on the internet, like YouTubers like myself, influencers, we get a lot of negative comments from people who don't really understand what it is what we do. And it's not cool, you guys, and it's not healthy. So if you get any like negative comments from people in your life or people on the internet, I know we all do, especially us women, right? I want to show you how to make a nope box. And a nope box, that's it's a box like this one. A note box is a place where you put all the bad things, all the mean things that the mean people say to you, and you put them in your note box. It's your way of saying nope. I'm not going to allow that into my mind. Nope. I'm not going to allow that into my life. So I want to show you guys how to make a note box. So I thought about showing you guys how to make a box from scratch because I don't know if you remember from like geometry, but a box has one, two, three, four, five, six sides. So I was gonna show you like how to actually draw out all the squares or rectangles or even triangles or ovals, just whatever you felt like, and how to like make a box from scratch. But when you're filled with rage from the internet, sometimes you just want to get going on your note box. So I thought it would be best to start with a box that was already a box. And so we're actually going to decorate the box. So literally any box you have is good. It doesn't have to be small. Like if you're bullied a lot, maybe you need a bigger note box. But if you're like really popular, like I don't know who, then maybe you don't need one at all. So this is mine. It's white, but you can start with any color. Any color you have is fine. And I'm gonna decorate it. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried decorating a box before, especially one that's kind of like, not very strong, kind of flimsy. So I'm going to show you guys a hack. You have the right to actually disassemble your box, and this will make it flat, and that makes it much easier to decorate. So I just popped it open like that. If you're feeling really angry, then you might have to tear it a little bit, and that's okay. It doesn't matter. Like if it looks as fucked up as you feel, that's fine. What is also really cool about making a note box is it gives you a chance to try out all the cool new markers that you just bought, like I did. So for the note box, I want it to be like a celebration of who I am as a person. So I want it to be like really positive, like maybe some happy faces, like that. That's nice. This is supposed to be a glitter pen. I don't I don't see any glitter. Let me try another one. Um, so just think of positive things. Like I like unicorns and stuff, so I'm gonna draw. I don't know how to draw a unicorn. I guess that's an ear. It's smiling because it's happy because it's here for me to support me in my journey through life and as an internet influencer. And if you want accuracy, just go ahead and make some like spirally things on your unicorn horn. Wait, what do their noses look like? Like, can you even tell that these are glitter pens? Oh, if I hold it to the light, it's kind of shiny. Okay, so that's cool. Let's try these other ones. I'm not sure what they are. They just looked different, so I bought them. Maybe a rainbow. Let's make a rainbow, like maybe on the top. So if you're not good with geometry, you might not know that this is the top, but if you ever get confused about which one is the top, just go ahead and like pop it back into random box shape again, and then it's really easy to tell. But anyway, let's make a rainbow. So like Oh, that's, I was hoping for red, but that's purple. That's okay. You know, if you're having a lot of feelings about things right now, maybe you mess up on your colors a little bit. God, there was a cap on this. These are new pens, so there was a little plastic thing on it. Oh, some more ink came out. So I'm drawing a rainbow here. It's not very good, but these all have a little thing on it. It's not very good. It doesn't matter. So I want to tell you about my inspiration for this project. So I was on, God, why do they have to put these on? Like, it's not going to leak. I was on Facebook the other day and some asshole is like, oh, crafting with Carla is super dumb. And I'm like, you don't even know. Like, what is your life? Oh. And it upset me. And I'm like, I need a note box for this guy. And he's not the only one. I feel like I try really hard to bring joy to people's lives. And I don't know why people got to get down on me for that. Like, I'm trying to be a rainbow in a shit store. I can't talk right. I'm so upset. I'm just so upset about this guy. Just, like, I'm trying my best, you know? There, that's good. Okay, what else? So I have a rainbow, a unicorn, a happy face. Maybe some positive messages would be good. So something to remind you that you're a good person. Like, wow, you're apostrophe, you're cool. That's good. Oh, I hope this ink doesn't get on my board. You might need to blow on your ink. If it's your first time using new pens and you're not sure if they're messy, you don't want to mess up your board or anything. So just make sure you don't fuck it up. Maybe, you know what, since the unicorn looks like it's talking, maybe it can say something nice like, hi, friend. Like, I would much rather, oh shit, I would much rather people say hi, friend than what are you doing with your life? It's much nicer. So what's another positive message we could write on here? Like, maybe like, good job. Good job. You, whatever, you know what I mean. And then I want to get all the sides. You don't have to do anything on the bottom. Like, are you going to look at the bottom? I'm not going to look at the bottom. But you do you know what? And then something else on the back. I have some cool stickers. Maybe I'll just use one of these stickers. What do I have here? What looks good? No. Okay, I like this one. It says, hey friend, always trust in yourself. You could do anything. Oh, I think that's super good. It's positive. I just want to keep things really positive. Just stick it on there. So we're like done now. That's enough. That's good. I think I made my point. So the next step is, of course, you reassemble your box. So all boxes are different. My box might be not like your box. So just reassemble it. And just, close it up and take one more. Oh God, these pens like blur. Well, shit. God. Well, if you think of like anything else you want to do to your box before you're like ready to put some nope into it, go ahead and just like, maybe you could write like, you're not so bad or something. Just whatever makes you feel good. And then when you're all done, you need so this is like a craft knife. You need to make a hole in your box, and the hole is for you to put the bad things in, like the mean things mean people say. A hole, like you could open it up, but I think it's more fun to take the shitty things they say and stuff it in a hole. So we got to make a hole here. So that's good. So that's the hole that you're going to put the nope into. And so what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to collect some nope in my nope box. And then, oh, what a mess. And then next week, I'm going to show you like the fun stuff, the fun, creative, healing, inspiring stuff that you can do with all the nope you put in your nope box. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you. And if you do have a problem with internet bullying, maybe read a book. I don't know.